Hello everyone, today we're making this simple traditional guacamole. With all due respect to my brothers and sisters in Latin America, I'm not an expert in guacamole, but I can do it and it tastes really good. So follow my recipe, like the video, subscribe and share with your families and friends. So what we need for the guacamole. First of all, we need obviously two avocados, medium size or large size avocados. I'm using two here. I'm gonna use half a tomato, like a medium tomato. I'm gonna use a quarter of a white onion, a quarter of a bell green pepper, a lime, and a bunch of cilantro. And I'm also gonna need some salt and pepper to season this taste. I'm gonna add also a little bit of jalapeno. If you don't like it, just leave it out. I just like that little kick, but if you don't like it, just leave it out. So we're gonna start cutting all these ingredients, and we're gonna put them all here in this container to my side here. So this is how you open an avocado. You cut it in half all the way around, twist it, take it up, and now you take the seed out with a knife, just like that, and it comes out just like that. And now we're gonna do the same thing with the other one, and this avocado we're just gonna dump it in our container there to the side, waiting for the rest of the ingredients. So as we cut the ingredients, we're gonna put them all together in that bowl to the side. So take the avocados out of the skin like that, and just put the avocados in there. And we're gonna start cutting our ingredients. Here's a green bell pepper. We're gonna cut this in little squares. It can't be too big. It has to be this size, this square size. So we cut the green peppers, put them in there, and we're gonna do the same thing with all these ingredients. We're gonna cut the tomato here, and same thing, half a tomato. And the good thing with guacamole, if you don't like any of these ingredients, one of them, just leave it out, and you can add something else also. If you might want to add something else and try it. This is the basic traditional guacamole that we used to make back at home, and you can add or take out anything that you don't like. The onion here, we're gonna chop it the same way that we did with the bell pepper in small squares, just like that. So you're gonna cut the onion just like that. This is about a quarter of a regular white onion. About a quarter is enough. There you go. That's the perfect size. And we're gonna just keep on dumping all the ingredients in the bowl here. Now at the end we're gonna mix them all together. So the jalapenos here, I'm gonna cut them really small because you don't want big chunks in there. You're just gonna chop that up in really small chunks. If you like more jalapeno, you can add more. If you don't like jalapeno, then just leave it out. This is just my recipe, and this is how I used to do it. And I can tell you, it tastes good, and it's not spicy at all. And here you have the cilantro. If you prefer parsley, you can do the same thing, but the cilantro is the actual traditional ingredient, and it gives it that superb flavor. So there you have it. You chop the cilantro like that, small pieces, not the whole leaf. Just chopped it up like that, and you just put it with the rest of the ingredients in the bowl here to the side. And now I think we're almost done. We're gonna squeeze the lemons now, the limes. So one lime is enough. Do not put more because you're gonna have a soup in there. So all we need is just to give you a little taste there of lime. But you don't want to put like a lot of lime juice in there. So one regular size lime should be enough. We're gonna squeeze the juice of that, and there you have it. Squeeze a little drop with the last drop, and now you're gonna season with salt and pepper to taste. You can do the first round salt and pepper, mix it up, see if you're pleased with that flavor, and then if not, then you can add more salt and pepper at the end. But do not go crazy from the beginning because it's always easier to add salt and pepper. But once it's in there, it's in there. So now using a big fork like this one, I'm gonna start matching the avocado one by one, just like that. And at the same time, I'm gonna keep on moving the ingredients so everything gets a little bit of avocado all over. So I'm gonna start matching and then turning this over just like that, and just keep on matching. You don't want big chunks of avocado, so it's also yeah. You wanna it's like a smashed avocado, but you wanna leave a few chunks of avocado, but not big chunks. So this is how it should look at the end. If you need more avocado, you think you need more avocado, then just add more avocado. But this is my recipe, and this is how it actually tastes so good. This is how I will serve it. This is the plating, and I hope you enjoy it. This is my guacamole for you. Just follow the recipe step by step. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. I'll see you next time.